everybody and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to start by prepping my skin with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Moisturiser. This is the perfect base for makeup and it's suitable for all skin types, and I use it on both myself and in my professional kit. I'm then going in with soap brows and the Mario Badescu spray, and I'm just going to use a small spoolie to comb that through the brows. This is going to help to thicken the brow hairs, keep them in place and give that fluffy appearance. I'm next going in with my P. Louise base in shade Rumour 2. This is the perfect base for eyeshadow. It helps to intensify the colour and keep the product on longer. Oh, Coco O'Malley came to say hello. Honestly, I just love her so much. She's so cute. I'm then going in with the shade Intuition from the Stacey Marie palette, and I'm using a small MAC brush to follow my natural crease in small circular motions to apply the product. And then I'm going to go in with a warm tone, and I'm just going to use this at the edges to diffuse those two colours together and to add warmth. I just flick it out towards the temples. This will help me to wing it out later, and you don't need to be too neat with makeup at this point. I then go on with the P. Louise base all over my mobile eyelid, and this will help to intensify the pigment and to keep it in place. I then use eyeliner to thicken up the lash line, and I'm just using this right the way along the lash line, making it ever so slightly thicker towards the tail end of my brow. And then I'm just using a soft fluffy brush and then a pencil brush with the colours from the Carnival palette just to kind of soften the edges of the black. So you just want to clean up any fallout, and I'm just using my Garnier micellar water with a cotton disc. I'm then going in with the Kiehl's Daily Oil. You only need a small bit of this product, but it does help to keep the skin hydrated, especially when you're going to apply a heavier foundation. I'm then applying my MAC Strobe Cream and my Cover FX Liquid Gold Highlighter all over the skin. This is going to help my skin to be super dewy and glowy underneath the foundation. You wouldn't want to do this for oily skin. You would only apply this product on the high points of the face. I'm then going in with the NARS All Day Foundation in shade Stromboli and mixed with the Armani foundation in shade 5, and I'm just patting this into the skin with a big fluffy brush. This foundation probably isn't the best for people with dry skin unless you do prep the skin like I've shown you today. It has to be super hydrated, and hence why I've mixed it in with a more luminous foundation. The colour is obviously not the same as my skin tone, but I'm going for a slightly tanned look today, and I'm wearing long sleeves so you won't be able to tell that I'm not tanned anywhere else. I then go over everything with a damp beauty blender. This helps to make sure that everything's blended together seamlessly. Using this product will help to lighten the skin where you want it without adding too much more coverage like concealer. I have dry skin and I don't like it to look too cakey. This Charlotte Tilbury powder is one of my favourites. It's perfect for those with mature or dry skin. It's used in both my professional and personal kit, and I love the way it mattifies the area, but it adds a luminosity to the skin, so it can be very forgiving and beautiful. To make my eyes bigger and smokier, I'm going to apply eyeliner directly underneath the lash line and blend it out with a small packing brush and the colours from the Carnival palette we used before. We can clean this up with a bigger fluffy brush after. I'm then going to bronze my skin using the MAC Dark Tan, and I'm just popping this on my cheekbones, my forehead and down the sides of my neck and my jawline and around the perimeters of my nose to add warmth to the skin. Then using my Becca highlighting drops, I'm going to apply this to the areas of the face where I want glow, and I'm going to help to diffuse that into the skin by using a small brush and my finger. I absolutely love blush, and this is my favourite. This is the Becca Snapdragon, and I'm using this all over the skin, over the nose, on the forehead, just to kind of add the warmth before I go in with my Becca highlighter and a fan brush just to kind of pop that over where I already applied the liquid highlighter. I'm then using a brow pencil just to follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, and I regularly use the spoolie at the other end just to comb the product through the brow for a more natural finish. I'm then using the liquid eyeliner just to kind of go over my lash line as I've applied the lashes, and I want it all to blend together. I'm then using a lighter, warmer shade just to kind of go around the perimeters of the makeup and just help to blend everything together. My favourite blush, which is the Milani Luminoso. This is a beautiful coral and I just really love it for tanned looks. I then wanted to add a soft contour to my lips, so I'm using an eyebrow pencil in shade Taupe. This is going to give the illusion of a slightly fuller lip without the heaviness of a lip pencil. I finished the look with the Native lipstick and the Suede lip gloss by Peaches and Cream. I then added on wings, but unfortunately it didn't record, but I do prefer it with the winged look. I hope you enjoyed this super quick tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon.